Shandong Wanshuo Optoelectronic Equipment Company Limited is a professional FTTX network production and solution provider in the communications industry. We provide the users with cost-effective communication transmission equipment and forward-looking and energy-efficient integrated solutions. With the customer experience as the core, we are engaged to create greater industrial value for the customers. Our products have CATV optical transmitter, EDFA, FTTH optical receiver, communication optical module, optical network unit, passive optical device. With the development of more than 16 years, we have research team with experienced engineers and tech, and we can customize products to cater different customers' demands. With independent core technology, sustainable research and development capabilities, and strong production capacity, we are able to customize multiple series of subdivided products and professional industry solutions for users, according to the optical fiber network transmission requirements and application characteristics involved in the construction of communication networks in different countries and regions. Our products and solutions are being used in the global communications field and have been widely used in many projects in Russia, South America, Southeast Asia, and China. Respect, passion, persistence, innovation is the belief of WSEE Laser. We devote ourselves to being the optical transmission bridge of intelligent and healthy and providing a better user experience for more customers. We sincerely expect that we can have opportunity to cooperate with you.
The professional team, the cutting-edge technology, the top equipment, the innovative development. Welcome to our factory. We will show you production professional and quality control system.
Welcome to WSEE Laser.